Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use VoiceOver on my iPad. So for those of you that don't know what VoiceOver is an accessibility feature on iPads and iPhones, Apple devices exactly, for people who are blind or visually impaired like myself. So for me, how I use VoiceOver, I only use it if I really need to, like examples like if I really can't see the print, if it's too small. But the majority of the time I don't use VoiceOver because I can read the print. But that's always a good feature to have. And plus technology is now getting more advanced these days. And I figured today it would be nice to make a video about this and show you guys how I use VoiceOver when I use it occasionally. So here we go. So here's where the demonstration will be happening for VoiceOver, my iPad. So there's two ways you could do it. So first we're going to try Siri. So Siri, you can turn VoiceOver on or off by just saying it. And by just saying VoiceOver on or off. And the reason why I kind of sounded a little bit hesitant when I said try Siri was because I don't know how the connection's gonna cooperate. So let's just try it at least.
Something went wrong. Please try again. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again.
Alright, so it's not cooperating, but you can use Siri to turn the VoiceOver on or off by just saying VoiceOver on or off, like I said. So let's go in settings, because that's of course it's another common way to turn it on or off. So you go in settings, go under accessibility. See, it says accessibility features help you customize your iPad for your individual needs. So go under the VoiceOver setting, and as you can see, it gives you the option to turn the VoiceOver on or off. Excuse me. This I'll demonstrate once I turn it on.
VoiceOver on. Landscape. Home button to the left. Speaking rate 50%. Adjustable. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
So this is the speaking rate, as it said. You could swipe one finger up or down anywhere on the screen to make the voice speak faster or slower. And the reason why you could swipe up or down anywhere on the screen is because it highlights everything that you're specifically on when the VoiceOver is turned on. So let's demonstrate it.
60%, 70%, 80%, 70%, 60%, 50%, 40, 30, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%.
So that's basically how you make the speeding rate go up higher and make it go down. So let's close the app. So you're gonna have to swipe. I'm gonna have to swipe with 3 fingers, and it's also gonna say it to close the app completely. So.
App switcher. Settings. Active. Swipe up with 3 fingers to close the app. Actions available. App switcher. YouTube. Active.
And as you can see, my YouTube's open.
FaceTime. Double tap to open.
So it just said double tap to open. That you could double tap to open with any app. So as you can see, it's on FaceTime, and as I said before, it highlights it. So you could swipe anywhere, left or right on the screen with 1 finger. And you could do this.
Calendar. Photos. Camera. Double tap to open.
Okay, so now we're on the camera. That's the app we're just going to open. It's a simple little thing. So you cannot tap it once, because if you try it, watch this. It's not going to let you because the VoiceOver is on. But of course, when it's off, you can. So you have to double tap.
Camera.
See?
Pick 0 people. App switcher. Camera. Active. App switcher. YouTube. Active. News. Camera. Double tap to open.
So that's pretty much a little demonstration on how I use VoiceOver. Let's see if the VoiceOver, I can turn it off from Siri, since that is an option. Let's just see.
Sorry.
It's bad connection.
FaceTime. Double tap to open.
So I'm just going to turn it off by using the settings.
Select Control, Display, Home Screen, Accessibility. Button, Accessibility, Spoken, Motion, Display, Magnet, Zoom, VoiceOver, on, Voice, Accessibility, VoiceOver, on, VoiceOver off. So
yeah, that's pretty much how I use VoiceOver. Or anyone. You could do this on iPad, any iPad or any iPhone, all Apple devices, pretty much. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you found this interesting, and thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.